Hi everyone! I wanted to share a huge insight that I had, and you know the phrase in the transformational world, they use it a lot, like it's like growing a muscle. I could understand it from the mind, but this week I embodied it, or my way of seeing that phrase. And at first I didn't like doing sports, but I knew I always received the advice because I was so flexible to do sports to build muscles. But we avoid what we don't like to do, but there is the opportunity to grow. So that's what I did when I just divorced. I lost a lot of weight, so it was like, okay, I want to gain weight and gain strength and muscles to help my body. So working on the physical part is one of my goals in 2019. So I just started. And now after 3 months and a half, you can start to see results. And it's like, oh, that's what they mean by growing a muscle. because I took action, so going to the gym and practice it 3 times in the week and keep going, because at first your mind is like, what are you doing? I'm too tired, your knees are bad, you're this, you're blah 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 blah. But if you keep persisting, you will get results. And that's what I've learned now, that cycle. And you can actually use it in every area of your life. Because now I can see, I have this huge part of not feeling good enough to become a public speaker or doing workshops or becoming a coach, or I had struggled that with the last year of I'm thinking about it, but I'm not taking action. So if you're not taking action, you can't practice it, and it's in the practicing that you will get better, that you will learn about how you can speak. And if you keep persisting, even sometimes you will fuck up, you will screw it up. But you can learn from that, and then you get up again and you practice again, and if eventually you will get better at it because you're practicing, and you will prove to yourself whoa, I can do this. And that's what I've experienced now, and that's what I always did in all the other areas, with my cancer journey or my guilt game journey, or it's exactly always the same thing. It's first action, practice and persist, and then you will get the results that you want. So now I can see this block that I had for myself of not being good enough. Now I can see it oh, but I'm not good enough, and that's true, but I can practice it and I can become good at it. So, and what is it that I need to do is just taking action and start practicing, and that's what I'm doing. I'm taking this course, and I'm planning this giving workshops, and in October I stand on stage with the course that I'm doing. So I'm taking action, so I will get results of that. And the more I practice, the more I get confident, and the more I can see I can do this, and it will just become normal. Like now, going to the gym, I went now 90 days, and now I just love it. I just feel that I can do it because I experienced it, and each time it becomes a habit and it gets easier. And that's with everything. You can just achieve whatever you want, and that's what I've learned, and that's what I'm grateful for now. So growing that muscle, so for me it's now growing that muscle of becoming or develop that skill in me that I want for public speaking, and becoming a good just a public speaker, just to inspire people and help them, and just see that everything is possible. I just want to share my heart, my experience, and I just want to become the best version of myself. So that's what I want to give to myself, and not keep blocking me, and just growing muscles. Not physical, also with the physical part, but also mental part, so I can just use it in that, so I have a deeper understanding of that now, and I'm just more motivated now, like, and not stop myself of the bullshit that my mind is telling me. So I just am grateful for that huge insight that I can use that phrase to help me, like, see what you did, you can do this, and everything will be okay. It's just to practice. Life is practicing things, and you will evolve. The more you practice, the more you will get better at things, and that's what I've learned. Bye.